Yes, let's see song number 30, and that is Luxembourg. Well, that was a surprise, but then again, her running order placement in the semifinals was not the best. I think she was right after. Wait, I think she was in semifinal 2, and she was right after Romania. Yeah, she was right after. Wait, she was right after Romania, before Czechia. So, it was not the best. Yeah, then roll down again. Let's see, Luxembourg. Let's see. There we have it. Yeah, she won a landslide victory she won the landslide victory, and she was received a 7 from Austria. Well, 6 points from Denmark, Latvia, Malta, 4 points. Switzerland and Ukraine 3, Bulgaria, France 2, Cyprus, Czechia, and the UK we gave her 1. Well, it was not that much point with the jurors. Yeah, wow, okay. Oh, Romania got Bulgaria was the televote winner, but this was the jury winner. Interesting. Very interesting. This was a little bit all over the place, but Romania was the top 2 with both. I feel like watching this, the public and the judges did not agree. And in the ranking, they had Romania as the clear winner. Then we have Australia, Denmark, Norway, Malta. I feel very interesting that they put Bulgaria 6, Ukraine 7. Then we have Czechia, Albania, Switzerland. That is the top 10. That means that they will have kicked out Cyprus. Then we have Latvia 11, Armenia, and Cyprus, and Azerbaijan. Aw, poor Azerbaijan. But anywho, let's see Luxembourg. No, wrong fleek. There we go. To see Eva Maria Madanecha. Madanecha. Let's see.
From the start, when all was fun and games, wasn't hard, but all good things can end. Back when I was younger, I planted a seed under the moonlight, and even when there's thunder, I go back when I wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin, I'm howling at the wind. They're my roots in the mud, and I need my head back. Let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins. They're my roots in the mud.
I gotta say, I did not like this camera angle shot right here, because I feel like they did it a little bit too early, that she stops. Yeah, because I feel like they should have kept that set. Give it a 1 more second. I don't like this. I don't like this camera shot.
Roots in the mud, and I need my head back. Let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins. They're my roots in the mud, and I leave my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. See the leaves, how they grow back again, and I heal and learn to love myself again. Even when there's thunder, oh, I don't have to wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind. They're my roots in the mud, and I leave my head back.
I'm gonna say it, I'm not surprised that she didn't qualify, because listen to the vocal performance. I'm more. If I was Latvia, I would be more pissed. But anyway, they didn't both qualify. But I would be. I'm not surprised that she didn't qualify, because this vocal performance, girl, is not good.
Let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins, in my roots, in my mind, and I leave my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
I mean, I'm gonna say I kind of like the staging. I mean, I'm gonna say for me the song is the strongest part. The staging, I'm gonna say, since I feel like this reads Ukraine for me. I would wonder how Ukraine would have staged this, because I like the idea, because I feel like they gave her like the Maleficent Moors with the creature of the Maleficent world in Sleeping Beauty, with the flying things and the shiny things. But I feel like I wonder how Ukraine would have staged this. But I feel like what kills the song for me is her vocals, because she has that, I don't know if how the enunciation is not good. I'm dyslexic, so I have my excuse, but it is the if you try to sing like this, there's something with the enunciation, and the vocals was not the best. So again, may I be harsh? I'm not surprised that she didn't qualify. No. I wonder if she sang better. I think she would have qualified if she sang better. The vocals was not the best. Sorry Luxembourg, but I'm happy that you are in Eurovision 2027. Because I was so worried that you will not come back. I was like, wait, you have 2 successful years and then you have one bad one and you will not come back? Okay, but anyway, they are back. Anyway, thank you, Luxembourg. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more of the videos I react to, maybe videos you have not seen, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.